Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road, just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we are looking at a 2013 Explorer Limited in Tuxedo Black. It has a black leather interior with seating for 7, 4 doors, and a hatch. It has a 3.5-liter V6 engine with flex fuel and all-wheel drive. It's easy to get into this vehicle, just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you on a test drive. Cup holders and storage in the door, as well as a speaker. Powered windows, locks, and mirrors, as well as memory seating for 3 drivers. The driver has a powered seat with lumbar support. Lighting controls, powered tailgate, tow, and auto park assist. Your powered tilting and telescoping steering wheel also has controls on the side for power pedals. On the face of your steering wheel, you have cruise control, adaptive cruise control, dash controls, and sync voice activated system. To start the engine, keys in pocket, foot on the brake, and press the start button. Any important messages will show up on the display screen up here. On the left, display mode, trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, settings, information, and these all have submenus. On the right, entertainment, phone, navigation, climate, and notice how these all change colors. Your media display screen has navigation in the top right hand corner. It's trying to connect to my phone. It also has climate control with heated and cooled passenger and driver seats and a heated steering wheel. Bottom left hand corner here is your entertainment. AM, FM, and Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, Bluetooth, SD, and AV line in. Go back to your home screen down there, and it shows you your main screen. Hazard lights, CD, as well as AC, max AC, rear and front defrost, as well as your climate controls, also accessible from the display screen. AV, SD, USB, and 12 volt. Got a couple of cup holders, as well as an automatic shifting gear, terrain management, which shows up on the top here. When you turn the dial, you have mud and rut, sand mode, snow, gravel, grass, and I'll turn it back to normal. There's also there's also hill descent. In your armrest here, simply unclip it. You have plenty of storage and a 12 volt. You have a locking glove compartment, an auto dimming rear view mirror, universal garage door opener, lighting controls here, your sunglass holder, as well as tilting and sliding moonroof. For today though, it's a little wet, so I'm not going to open it. 20-inch wheels, chrome handles, intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, spoiler, rear windshield wiper. There's also a backup camera just below the Explorer badge, which the display screen on the inside shows when you put the vehicle in reverse. There's dual exhaust, and when you're ready to open it, simply click the fob twice and it will open for you. There is also a button on the inside to do just the same. The inside is nice and roomy and also carpeted. Just below there, a cargo net and an extra carpet. I've already put the seat down just to show you what it looks like. Power folding, stowing, and you can also set the seats back to normal. There's also a 12 volt. Cup holders and more bins for your passengers. When you're ready to close it up, there's a handle up to the right, a button to the left, it'll chime, and power close. You can also close it from your key fob. This Explorer also has automatic start. So once it chimes, you can either lock it up and walk away or head out on your latest adventure. Cup holders and speakers, as well as power windows. In the second row, you have a 60-40 split with seating for 3. Pull on the little lever here, it'll fold down. Pull it again, it will pop out of your way to give access into the third row with a 50-50 split and seating for 2. Whenever you're ready to pull it back, fold it down, pull the back of the seat back up, and you're ready to go. Armrest and cup holders in the middle there. All-weather mats, slim pockets, rear climate controls, 110 volt as well as 12 volt. Up above, vents, hooks, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side easy fuel capless gas filler, privacy glass, roof rails, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, HID headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.